Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this name password in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this name password, so as you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off this name password in your vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. So as after on setting guys, we will have to click on guys your security setting guys, you can see. So guys, click here and guys scroll and guys you can see screen lock. So enter your password which you have now, and guys you can choose guys known and swipe option guys, whatever you want. So I will click on this swipe and guys delete. So as you can see guys, name, there is no any name password in our vivo phone. So that's it guys. I hope friends you have understood how to off name password in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.